Do you get problems with sneezing all the time in forestry conditions like this? Do you have problems with nasal problems? When you're in the middle of nowhere, in this wooded forest, then look no further. Then the Sniffler. This green little device gets rid of all that snot and mucus in your nostrils. You take the lid off and one flick, there and there, takes rid of all that mess. And only then you'll be able to breathe freely amongst all the trees. Problems with nasal passages in forestry conditions? Then look no further than the Sniffler. Brought to you by me. Ding!